Hello, my friends. I've been fishing in a tornado, but I've never been in a blizzard, so I thought I'd give it a try. I've got a crankbait and I've got a stick worm. Let's see if they're biting. Let's see, we'll rest this over here. As you can tell, it's really cold and it's really snowing. This is probably the only chance I'll get to have a weather warning on my boat that says blizzard in Winnie, Texas. So let's see what we can catch. Okay, folks, we gave it a try. I'm a lot better built for warm weather than I am cold weather. Here's what I can tell you. The fish don't bite that good in the middle of a blizzard. They bite a lot better right before a tornado, but I don't recommend fishing in either one. God bless you, stay warm, and have a good day.